in raster scan display, the frame buffer holds. So in case of raster scan display, we know that if this is a screen, then the electron beam will impinge on this particular screen in this way, from left to right and from right to left in this way. So that is known as the raster scan display. In this way the screen will be traced. Now the thing is that the frame buffer holds line drawing commands, scanning instructions, image resolutions and intensity information. So we shall be going for the option number D, intensity information. So in raster scan display, the frame buffer holds the intensity information. Picture definition is stored in memory area called the refresh buffer or frame buffer, and this memory area holds a set of intensity values for all the screen points and pixels. So we will be going for the option number D, and that is the intensity information.